us start with the preparation of hydrogen, okay, with different metals. Preparation of hydrogen from different metals, okay. In this we will follow what? Activity series of metals. Activity series of metals, we have what? So potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, zinc, iron, and then we have lead. And after lead we have what? Hydrogen here, okay. After hydrogen we have what? Copper, mercury, okay. Then we have silver, then we have gold, and we have platinum. In previous lower class I have given one mnemonic, है ना? क्या है? काशीनाथ का माली आलू जीरे फीके पकाता है क्योंकि है आग और पानी, okay. So this way you can remember these, okay. Now we have to prepare hydrogen using these activity series of the metals, okay. Now in this you have to remember that when we have to prepare hydrogen, तो हाइड्रोजन कैसे, हमारा यहाँ पे मेटल हाइड्रोजन है ना, yes or no? This hydrogen cannot be prepared by the metals which are placed below. समझ में आ रहा है? These metals are unable to prepare hydrogen. You cannot prepare hydrogen using these metals. क्यों? What is the reason? The reason is that they are placed below hydrogen. They are placed below hydrogen in the activity series. Hence, we cannot prepare hydrogen using these metals. Are you getting, everyone? Okay. Now, further, why we can prepare hydrogen using these metals? Because they are placed above and hydrogen is placed below them. So, these metals can easily replace hydrogen. यहाँ पे क्या होगा? These metals can easily replace hydrogen, okay. Hence hydrogen can be prepared using only these metals which are placed above in the activity series. Those which are placed below the hydrogen, they cannot prepare hydrogen. Are you getting? Are you getting, everyone? इतना समझ में आ रहा है ना? Now let us see further. When we say preparation of hydrogen, okay, using these metals, so these metals can react. See, in this you have to remember first thing in the काशीनाथ का माली आलू जीरे फीके पकाता है ना? Okay, these first three metals, okay, first three metals are highly reactive metals. They are highly reactive metals, okay, highly reactive, okay. Then these metals are moderately reactive. They are moderately reactive in nature. That means their reaction will occur, but it is what? Moderate. Understood? Okay. And those which are placed below hydrogen, they are least reactive in nature. Like we have here copper, है ना, mercury, silver, gold and platinum. These metals are least reactive in nature. They are what? Least reactive. Firstly, let us discuss some properties of activity series only. This is what is activity series of metals. Okay, those which are placed below hydrogen cannot replace hydrogen or cannot prepare hydrogen. Those which are placed above hydrogen can prepare hydrogen because they can replace hydrogen in the reaction, okay. In this activity series of metals, we have three set of metals: highly reactive, moderately reactive and least reactive. Now these least reactive metals are those which we use in our daily lives. हम लोग कॉपर यूज करते हैं, yes or no? कॉपर की वायर्स मिलती है ना, yes or no? We use copper vessels also. Then we have silver which we wear, gold we wear, platinum we wear. Do they react anywhere? हम लोग चांदी और सोना पहनते हैं, gold are we are wearing. Do they react with water? Do they react with air? No. There is no reaction normally. At room temperature also there is no reaction of these metals. Hence, out of all these metals, we have two such are what? Noble metals. Gold and platinum are noble metal. Why they are called as noble? Because उनका किसी के साथ भी रिएक्शन नहीं होता, ना एसिड के साथ होता है, ना बेस के साथ होता है, ना एयर के साथ होता है, ना वाटर के साथ रिएक्ट होता है, किसी के साथ भी नहीं रिएक्ट करते हैं. Other metals will react with acid and base, okay, but these are two metals which will not react with anyone. Hence they are known as what? Noble metals. Hence they are known as noble metals. Understood till here? Okay. Now further, we use copper, silver and gold in our daily life. Okay, silver get tarnished after some time. Yes or no? It gives a dull appearance. है ना? चांदी थोड़ी देर के बाद dull appearance देती है ना? Yes or no? Okay. So it may react. So they are very least reactive. क्या तुमने आज चांदी लाई है? You have bought silver today. Will it get tarnished today only? No. Will it give a dull appearance today? No. It takes, the reaction will occur with some time. It will take some time to react. Whereas these metals in the activity series are such metals that they will react anytime. They will not take much time to react. So out of these metals, first three इतने reactive हैं because they want to become stable. Okay, तो ये ऐसे metal है ना कि इनको अभी का अभी stable होना है. Okay, so they will be, react very vigorously. Are you getting everyone? समझ में आ रहा है? Okay, now here we will prepare hydrogen using these metals. So in the preparation of hydrogen we will see the reaction with three things. Okay, preparation of hydrogen में we have metals, active metals. What type of metals are they? They are active metals. Okay, from the activity series. Okay, will react with cold water. They can react with cold water. They can react with hot water. Even they will react with steam also. Steam. Okay, are you getting? And then their reaction with dilute acids we have to see. Dilute acids and we have bases. With this, so they will give you what? Salt plus hydrogen. Okay, they will give you salt plus hydrogen with acid and base. With acid and base they will give you what? Salt plus hydrogen. But with these they will not give salt and hydrogen. Here they will give something else product. So I am not writing here anything. Okay, I am writing just as X here. Okay, that X may be, I will tell you how it will give you the reaction. So this is what we have to study in the preparation of hydrogen. Metals will react with cold water, metals can react with hot water, metals can react with steam, metals will react with dilute acid and bases. And what they are going to produce here is hydrogen. So we will see all these reactions one by one. Now just see here. Okay, we are preparing hydrogen. So let us see the first equation. How we will prepare hydrogen? By cold water. We will prepare hydrogen by cold water. This is the first method of preparation of hydrogen. With cold water, who will react? We have Kasinath ka Ali. Okay. बस यही metals की स्टडी करनी है. These first three metals will react with cold water. Okay, they will react with cold water. They will not react with hot water. So by cold water, what are the reactions we can see here with the three metals? Sodium, potassium, and we have calcium. They will react with cold water only. They will react with cold water only. These metals will react with cold water. Now what is the product will be formed? They will form metal hydroxide plus hydrogen. What is the product will be formed here is metal hydroxide plus hydrogen. See, this is only the trick to study the chemical reactions. When you know the word equation, you can just substitute and write. Okay. So first three metals will react with only cold water. Okay, and they will form what? Metal hydroxide plus hydrogen. Now this reaction is very vigorous. Vigorous means what? Very fast reactions, and they are explosive in nature. These reactions are fast and explosive in nature. Now why explosive? Because they are highly reactive. Now why they are reactive in nature? Because they want to achieve nearest noble gas configuration. Okay, ये reason तो सबको पता है ना? Now let us see the equation. Potassium when you treat with water, cold water, okay, cold water, what it should give you? KOH. It should give you what? KOH plus H2. अब तुमको इतना तो आ गया. अब now what you have to do is balance the equation. How many hydrogens are here? 3. And how many are here? 2. So the one which is odd side you will balance it. So यहाँ पे इसमें से दोनों में से odd कौन है? ये वाला है. तो मैंने इसको क्या किया? even बना दिया. 2 का दिया है. Now what I am doing here? Putting 2 here and here also I will put 2. So 2 potassium. Okay, 4 hydrogen. 2 plus 2 4 and how many oxygen? 2. Equation is balanced. See, it is very easy to remember equation when you note the word equation. Okay, then let us substitute with sodium. Sodium plus water, what it will give you? It will give you sodium hydroxide plus hydrogen. Okay, now again you have to do the balancing. So 2 NaOH, 2 H2O and 2 here. 2 sodium will react with 2 molecules of water, will produce what? Sodium hydroxide and hydrogen. See, you only need to remember what? Word equation. कि वो product क्या form होगा. Again with calcium also it is very simple. Ca plus H2O. अब calcium का क्या होगा? CaOH whole twice होगा ना? Why? Because ये plus 2 होता है और ये minus 1 होता है. तो criss cross में इसका formula क्या हो जाएगा? CaOH whole twice plus hydrogen तो मिलना ही मिलना है. Now you just check the balancing. How many hydrogens are there? 4. How many oxygen? 2. So what side I have to balance? Only I have to put 2 here. है ना? Here I don't have to put 2. Calcium is 1. 4 hydrogen, 2 plus 2 and 2 oxygen. Balance. So this is the first equation for the preparation of hydrogen. I hope that you have understood. Yes or no? So we have finished with first 3 metals. है ना? Now when sodium and potassium, these two are very soft metal. They are very soft metal. They can be cut even with the help of knife. You can cut it with the help of knife. Now sodium and potassium is such reactive in nature कि तुमने थोड़ा सा अगर उसको पानी में डाला, it will explode. It will dart. Okay. The reaction is so vigorous that it will dart. Okay, so it will explode. It is an explosive. This is little bit vigorously in nature. The calcium will react little bit vigorously in nature, but it will not be explosive as sodium and potassium. Are you getting? Okay. Then first 3 metals so complete हो गए. Now we have to react what? Moderately active metals. Yes or no? Now moderately active metals, these metals, they can react with cold water, they can react with hot water as well as steam. They can react with hot water as well as steam. Are you getting? So let us see. Now with what we are going to see here is, let us see first with hot water. Okay. Now what is the product form? Again, metal plus hot water, it will give you what? Metal oxide plus hydrogen. What it will give you here is metal oxide. Cold water क्या देगा? Metal hydroxide. और hot water क्या देगा तुमको? Metal का oxide form. Let us substitute. We have magnesium plus hot water. What it will give you? Magnesium का oxide form. MgO plus H2. Do I have to balance this equation? No, it is already balanced. This is the reaction with hot water. It is a reaction with hot water. Let us see zinc. Zinc when you treat with water, what it will give you? Zinc oxide plus hydrogen. मैग्नीशियम जिंक हो गया. एल्यूमिनियम के साथ भी ऐसे ही देगा. एल्यूमिनियम प्लस H2O. ना एल्यूमिनियम का ऑक्साइड फॉर्म क्या होता है? Al2O3. Why Al2O3? How it will form Al2O3? Because this is +3 and this is -2. सो क्रिस क्रॉस करेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा ये Al2O3 plus H2. Now this I have to balance, because here we have 3 oxygen and 2 hydrogen. Okay, okay. So here what will be the equation? There will be 4Al. यहाँ पे 2 सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दिया. I have to make even ना, ऑक्सीजन को even बनाना है. So here what I will put now? 6. 3 2s are 6 है ना. I have to put here what? 6H2O. Okay, 6 2s are 12 हो जाएगा. And here also I will put what? 6. So this equation is balanced. Are you getting? But iron, okay, iron, it reacts with only steam. It reacts with only steam. Now steam means what? It is the gaseous form of the water. Okay, steam के साथ react हुआ. This reaction is reversible. Iron के साथ जो reaction है, it is reversible. It has a double-headed arrow. That means the reaction may be forward and it will go backward also. So what will be the reaction? Here it will give you Fe2O3 plus H2. So we have to balance this again. Sorry, Fe3O4. It will give you Fe3O4. So 3Fe, 4H2, 4H2. Are you getting? Now one thing you remember. See here, ऐसा प्रोडक्ट नहीं हो सकता है. Why? Because Fe का कितना होता है? या तो +2 होता है या +3 होता है. और ऑक्सीजन का कितना होता है? -2. तो यहाँ पे 4 कैसे आ गया? When you do criss cross, तो वहां पे 4 कैसे आ गया? 4 तो नहीं हो सकता है ना. आयरन की वैलेंसी या तो +2 या +3 है. Are you getting? So actually this product is this way. Fe2O3 dot FeO. ये है. ये Fe3O4 जैसा कोई प्रोडक्ट नहीं हो सकता है, बिकॉज आयरन की वैलेंसी 4 नहीं होती है किसी भी केस में. सो एक्चुअली इट इज दिस प्रोडक्ट, आयरन ऑक्साइड का 2 फॉर्म है इसमें. डॉट FeO, दिस इज द एडिशन प्रोडक्ट. आर यू गेटिंग? दिस यू विल नॉट गेट एनीवेयर इन द टेक्स्ट बुक. इट इज नॉट मेंशन्ड. ओके, आर यू गेटिंग? सो समटाइम्स यू में आस्क ना मिस क्रिस क्रॉस करेंगे तो इसमें आयरन की वैलेंसी तो +4 नहीं हो सकती है. सो हाउ इट इज रिटन 4 देयर? व्हाई द ऑक्साइड फॉर्म इज 4, ऑक्सीजन 4? वो कहाँ से आएगा? एक्चुअली इट इज एन एडिशन प्रोडक्ट. ओके, बट ये एग्जाम में कहीं पे तुमको मेंशन नहीं करना. दिस इज फॉर योर ओन इंफॉर्मेशन. आर यू गेटिंग? सो वी हैव कंप्लीटेड द रिएक्शन विद हॉट वाटर एंड स्टीम. ओके, see here. Now this lead does not react with any of the water. Lead pencil use करते हैं ना हम लोग. Lead we use. Yes or no? Does it react with water? No. So it has no reaction with water. It has no reaction with water. Okay, so it will not replace hydrogen from the water. Understood? Are you getting? Everyone? Clear?